Hi all, welcome to Diversified Finance. My name is Laka. Just a quick look at Bitcoin price and gold, silver, and some altcoins. Okay, so this is the daily chart. So uh, on the daily chart, it's not looking good. Like we are below this 200-day moving average. So as long as we are below this 200-day moving average, this white line right here, we can consider we are in a bear market. But before Bitcoin is somewhere near about 42,000. But if it's before it goes to like to 40, like we have a lot of support in this area, right? It could make it could consolidate in this area for some time. And if that happens, like we can say we've been making higher lows since this drop to like 33,000. So there's a low here, uh, and then there's a higher low, and if there's a higher low here, and if it makes like another higher low here, that's something bullish, right? We can say it's progressively making higher lows, and then it could probably come back up to this level and then break about 200-day moving average, come back and hold 200-day moving average as support, and then we can see a lot higher prices. That's the bullish side. Unfortunately, if it comes back down and break this low right here around 37,000, and then things are not looking good, and then we could go back down to retest these levels, and then we could make like I would call a double bottom, right? So there's also a possibility it could make a double bottom, which is like it comes back down to this level and then stay here for some time and then go back up to 200-day moving average to retest. So in that case, on the weekly chart, we might see a double bottom. And right now it's kind of looking bearish, but we just want to see Bitcoin consolidate in these areas so that we can see if that happens, we can see all coins pop a lot higher. That's what I'm expecting. Like, I want to see Bitcoin consolidate here for the next few weeks until maybe like second week of May or something. If it consolidate for few weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, that'll be perfect. Like, it'll give opportunity for all coins to pump a lot higher. Apart from that, so that's Bitcoin, and then all coins are kind of like not having a good time, because as soon as Bitcoin goes down, we tend to see all coins goes a lot lower compared to Bitcoin. So for example, SLP recently pumped to about like 3 cents, and now it has dropped back down to like back below like 2 cents. So that's kind of like all coins are not looking good at the moment. There's few old coins, and then even like Wild, this is one of the old coins that I'm holding. See, it dropped like from $7 all the way back down to like $1.20. This is like a really good project, something that we can hold for long term. I'll be holding this project as it's an NFT. It's a metaverse token, right? It's a really good project. So look, as you can see, it dropped to like 120 and then went back up to $2, and it has come back down to $40 right now. So these are the few altcoins that I'm holding right now. Raka is also a metaverse token. Block recently dropped. It dropped like so much. I think it dropped like probably 80% or so from its highs. It's a really good entry like for these coins if you as long as Bitcoin's gonna hold, right? So that's the only worry we have. If Bitcoin drops further, forget about these old coins, right? They'll drop a lot harder and they'll bleed lot lower. It could go a lot lower. We can see if Bitcoin drops like 20%, 30%, we can see these old coins drop by 50%. Tailcoin, yeah, came back, dropped back below like a cent, and then came back up to this 1 cent level to retest and rejected, and it's slowly going back down. Yeah, so these are the old coins. So right now I'm not going to worry too much old coins. I'm not going to buy any old coins at the moment. My only plan is to accumulate more Bitcoin. If all coins goes higher, as I mentioned a few times, I'll take profit out of all coins and then go into Bitcoin and then hold Bitcoin for long term. So unfortunately, Bitcoin, as long as Bitcoin's below 200-day moving average, we have to say, like, technically we are in a bear market. But I tell you what's in a bull market. This is the gold chart. If you look at the gold chart, you can see here, this is the gold chart. Look at this. See, gold is in a bull market, right? There's no doubt about that. This is the 200-day moving average, the white line. It's gone back above and staying back above, consolidating above 200-day moving average. So we can say gold is in a bull market at the moment. And given that we have so many issues, the war between Russia and Ukraine and other geopolitical issues, supply shortages, inflation, money printing. Because of all this, gold is looking good. Like, gold is in a bull market right now. Is one of the best place to be. Even silver in a bull market. We have to say, look at this. Like, this is a 200-day moving average. It broke about 200-day moving average, came back down, and now it's testing as 200-day tested already over here. There's a week that went down to 200-day moving average. Now it's consolidating about 200-day moving average. It's in a bull market as well. And also, if you look at platinum, a little bit of a different story. Break above, came back down. It was trying to hold 200-day moving average as support, could not do it, break below, and now just below 200-day moving average. It's kind of like consolidating. I'm pretty sure it'll come back and retest and probably go a lot higher, about 200-day moving average. So metal sector is looking really good. Commodities are looking really good. I mentioned I invested into a lot of uranium stocks, right? They are looking really good. The uranium sector has gone up a lot higher. Copper stocks are going a lot higher. So all the commodity sector is performing really well. I bought a lot of shares like new uranium shares, lithium shares. These ones are doing really well at the moment. So this is the exact reason, right? Don't put all your money into like crypto, just crypto, like, have a diversified portfolio. As I always say, there's a reason why I name my YouTube channel as Diversified Finance. That's so important that you need to have few asset classes in your portfolio, right? Bitcoin is one, and then you can have shares, gold and silver, and gold stocks. Gold stocks are doing really well as well. When gold price goes higher, silver price goes higher, gold miners, silver miners will skyrocket, right? It'll be like crypto, like, kind of like crypto compared to the gains that you could get from gold miners. It'll be something similar to crypto that we would see, like you would see like 200-300% pump for these gold miners. So that's why overall we need to have a asset portfolio spread across few asset classes, which is a good thing. Yeah, so this is the quick video. I could not do a Zoom session this Wednesday, so that's why I've done this video. Yeah, so that's all from my end. Let's keep an eye on Bitcoin price action and what's happening with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin consolidate for another 4 weeks, perfect. We'll see all coins pop here and there, and we can take some profit and switch back to Bitcoin and hold Bitcoin for long term. All the best. I'll talk to you in the next video. See ya.